Water is nature's ultimate elixir, essential for every bodily function, from cellular repair to organ vitality, sustaining life itself. Chronic underhydration saps energy, clouds thinking, and weakens immunity, silently eroding health with every missed sip. Adequate water intake fuels digestion, flushing out toxins that improve skin health and enhancing nutrient uptake, as demonstrated in a 2010 Journal of the American College of Nutrition study on hydration's role in metabolism. It also stabilizes body temperature and lubricates joints, reducing inflammation and arthritis pain, per a 2015 Arthritis Research and Therapy report. Even mild dehydration impairs brain function, with a 2018 Frontiers in Physiology study linking it to reduced memory, focus, and emotional stability. Drinking enough water daily boosts cognitive clarity, improves skin hydration, and lowers risk of kidney stones and urinary infections. Pure water drawn from pristine springs or rivers is nature's perfect solution, delivering minerals like calcium and magnesium without synthetic additives. Unlike processed beverages, it hydrates without burdening the body, offering a timeless remedy for wellness. The beverage industry, however, floods markets with sugary sodas, energy drinks, and flavored waters laced with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, tied to neurological damage in a 2008 Environmental Health Perspectives study. These products dehydrate cells, spike insulin, and strain the kidneys, fostering chronic conditions over time. A 2016 public health nutrition study exposed how corporations use aggressive advertising to brand sugary drinks as symbols of fun and vitality. They sponsor health campaigns and sports events, masking their role in driving obesity, diabetes, and heart disease through high fructose corn syrup. Bottled water, often just repackaged tap water, is sold in plastic containers that leach BPA, a chemical linked to hormonal disruptions, in a 2011 Environmental Health Perspectives study. Industry lobbying, as noted in a 2019 Journal of Cleaner Production, blocks stricter plastic regulations, keeping these toxins in circulation. Tap water isn't always safe either. PFAS contaminants, found in a 2020 Environmental Science and Technology study, weaken immunity and raise cancer risks through industrial runoff. Companies fund biased studies to downplay these dangers, prioritizing profits over public health, as critiqued in a 2017 Environmental Research Journal. Artificial sweeteners like sucralose in flavored waters disrupt gut microbiota, per a 2017 gut microbe study, leading to digestive issues and metabolic disorders. This deliberate push of harmful alternatives distances us from water's natural healing power. You can reclaim your health by prioritizing clean water, aiming for 10 to 14 cups daily, adjusted for body weight, activity, and climate conditions. A balanced yet abundant water intake leads to a well-hydrated and smooth skin structure. Use glass or stainless steel bottles to avoid plastic chemicals, ensuring hydration remains pure and uncontaminated. Invest in high-quality filters like reverse osmosis or activated carbon to remove heavy metals, pesticides, and microplastics from tap water. Source from local springs if possible, or check water quality via tools like EWG's Tap Water Database for transparency. Enhance water naturally with slices of cucumber, mint leaves, ginger root, or citrus fruits for flavor, and added electrolytes without synthetic additives. Avoid brands pushing flavored waters with acesulfame potassium or saccharin, which harm gut health and disrupt insulin balance. Incorporate water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, lettuce, or strawberries, which provide hydration and natural nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. Soups and broths, especially homemade with fresh vegetables, further boost hydration and mineral intake. Spend time near clean rivers, lakes, or waterfalls where humidity and negative ions improve respiratory health and reduce stress naturally. These environments, rich in oxygen, enhance hydration's benefits, grounding you in nature's healing embrace. By choosing pure water, natural foods, and ethical brands, you sidestep industry traps and fortify your body against manipulation. Start today. Filter your water, ditch processed drinks, embrace nature's remedies, and share this wisdom to foster a healthier world.